Hello students, welcome back to Picture Foundation. Students, in this video I am going to discuss question from coordinate geometry which was asked in JEE Advanced 2023 paper 1. So let's start. Question is, let T1 and T2 be two distinct common tangents to the ellipse E x square upon 6 plus y square upon 3 is equal to 1 and the parabola P y square is equal to 12x. Suppose that the tangent T1 touches P and E at the points A1 and A2 respectively, and the tangent T2 touches P and E at the points A4 and A3 respectively, then which of the following statements are true? So students, question may have more than one correct answer. So let's do accordingly. Students, first of all, let us draw the figure for the given question. So it is the given figure, you can see clearly. So this is tangent T1 of the x-axis. It is touching parabola at A1 and ellipse at A2. And this is tangent T2 which is below the x-axis, which is touching the parabola at A4 and ellipse at A3, right? So what are the options? The area of the quadrilateral A1, A2, A3, A4 is 35 square units. And the second option is the area of the quadrilateral A1, A2, A3, A4 is 36 square units. Right? So for having area of quadrilateral A1, A2, A3, A4, so see students, we can find the area, or first of all we can understand what type of quadrilateral A1, A2, A3 and A4 is. Now as we can see, the figure is the two figures are symmetric. So this A1, A2, A3, A4 is basically trapezium, right? So we can use the area of standard trapezium, okay, which is half times sum of parallel side into distance between the sides. So for this, if I have A1 and A2, then we can have A3 and A4 as well using symmetry. So first of all, for this, first of all, we will write equation of tangent T1. So let T1 be y T1 is equal to x plus a T1 square. If a is at1 comma at1 square comma 2at1, right? And here a is 3 because parabola is y square is equal to 4 uh, parabola is y square is equal to 12x, right? So a is 3. Now also using uh, y is equal to mx plus aym, we can also write t1. So T1 can be y is equal to mx plus 3 by m, and T1 is also the tangent for ellipse, so you can write T1 as y is equal to mx plus root over a square m square plus b square, and a square in this case is 6, right? So 6m square plus b square, and b square is 3. So as these two equations are identical, so here 3m is equal to root over 6m square plus 3, right? If I square both sides, then this is 9 by m square is equal to 6m square plus 3, right? Or 3 by m square is equal to 2m square plus 1. Cross multiplying, so this will be 2m to the power 4 plus m square minus 3 is equal to 0. Or 2m square plus 3m square minus 2m square minus 3 is equal to 0. So this will be m square times, sorry, this is not 2m square, this is 2m to the power 4. So m square times 2m square plus 3 minus times 2m square plus 3 is equal to 0. So from here we can get m is equal to plus minus 1 or m square is equal to 1, right? So now m is equal to plus minus 1 says t1 is y is equal to mx plus a by m, right? And t2 is y is equal to minus, sorry, this is x plus 3 and this is minus x minus 3, right? Okay, but we need to find e1 and e2, right? So as for a1, equation of tangent is y is equal to uh, yt1 is equal to x plus at1 square. So if I compare yt1 is equal to x plus a t1 square, which is 3t1 square. So from here t1 is 1 basically, right? So as coordinates of a1 is at1 square comma 2at1, so 3 comma 6. Coordinates of a1 are 3 comma 3 and 6, right? Now so if a1 has coordinates 3 comma 6, so a4 will be 3 comma minus 6. Okay, now for e2 now for e2, equation of tangent t1 can be written as x cos theta upon a is root 6 plus y sin theta upon b, which is root 3, is equal to 1, right? So if I compare, if I use the concept of slope, so m is minus cos theta upon root 6 into sin theta upon root 3 is equal to what? Slope is 1 for t1. So minus cot theta is equal to root 2. Okay, or tan theta is equal to 1 by minus 1 by root 2, right? So from here sin theta becomes 1 by root 3 and cos theta becomes minus 2 by root 3. Okay, because theta uh, is moving from 0 to 180 degree, right? Okay, now so e2 is having coordinates as a cos theta comma b sin theta, and a is root 6 cos theta comma root 3 sin theta, right? So cos theta is minus 2 by root 3, so root 6 into minus 2 by root 3, in fact this is minus root 2 by root 3, okay, comma root 3 into 1 by root 3. So a2 becomes minus 2 comma 1, right? So A2 is minus 2 comma 1 and A3 becomes minus 2 comma minus 1, right? So for having area of quadrilateral A1, A2, A3, A4, so therefore area of quadrilateral A1, A2, A3, A4, which is trapezium, which is half times sum of parallel sides. Sum of parallel sides. Sum of parallel side is A1, A4 plus A2, A3. A1, A4 plus A2, A3 into distance between the sides. Distance between the sides is, say, this is A and this is B. So AB. Half times sum of parallel sides 6 plus 6 12 plus 2 into AB. X coordinate of A1 is 3 and the x coordinate of A2 is minus 2. So distance between A and B is 5. So this is 5. So 12 plus 2 14, 14 by 2 7. So 7 5 so 35. So 35 square units is area, and with this option A is correct. And also option C is the tangent T1 and T2 meet the x-axis at the point minus 3 comma 0. So equation of tangent is y is equal to x plus 3. Now if I put y is equal to 0 in T1 or in T2, we will get x is equal to minus 3. So option C is also correct, right? Okay. In this, if I put y is equal to 0 and x is equal to minus 3. Okay. So students, let's meet in next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.